Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with more Happy Mail. I'm gonna have to choose a day to do Happy Mail. This one's from a friend that would rather not be mentioned. And here is the contents of the envelope. She sent me some oops, here's a card, I believe. Let's see what it says. I'll read it off camera. You can look at the cute butterflies. Oh, look how cute. Aw. Oh, it's alright. She knows who she is and she knows what I'm talking about. Oh, thank you. And here's the card envelope. Okay. Now she's gotten me these butterflies. I'm gonna save this look after. This color. She's gotten me the blue, the pink. Oh, more pink. Oh, wait a minute. There's two of those. Two pink. Oh, there might be three of each. There's three of these. There's three pinks. Oh, there's four pinks. There's three of these, four pinks, and three blues. And she also sent me some tiny crafts set. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. Oh, thank you so much for the gift. And I'll make sure to put it to good use. Stay tuned till the end for photos. And I would like to say, like, share, give a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I have more videos up. Okay? Or, you know, to see what happens on my channel. And also, I forgot something. These cute, darling little bows. Let me open up the bag. I'm sorry, I forgot the little bows and the other goodies in the bag. Oh my goodness. I know what to do with these, and there's some little felt flowers she made. There's two blue. Oh, this one has flowers in the back, and there's an orange bow with white in the back. Cool beans, and there's some little rhinestone butterflies, guys, and rhinestone flowers. What will Vanessa do with this? We'll see. See? Now I can say, see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, and thanks to my friend for sending me these butterflies and the bows and the flowers and these little goodies. So I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please stay tuned for photos. And catch y'all later. Be safe, be kind, be loving. And see y'all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.